My name's Kelly and I'm the prep room manager here at Malibu Fresh Essentials. We're a gourmet grocer. We stock everything from fresh fruit and veg to ready-to-go pre-prepared meals for our customers. We have a commercial kitchen on site, and from there we make all our ready-to-go meals and our cafe meals for our customers and a whole range of other things. We have 3 iCombi Pros, 1 iVario. We've had them for approximately 3 months, and our reason behind buying them was to improve our productivity, our consistency of our product and our time management. We use our rationale to cook everything from curries, soups, stews. We do overnight cooks of slow roasts, braisers, baked desserts, and a whole range of other things. These rationale products give us better consistency, productivity. We can pre-program the stuff that we want to make so it's consistent across the board. If you're looking to buy rationale, I would say go do it. It's really improved our time management, our production capabilities. The service provided by Comcater has been second to none. They've come out and trained us on site. We've got 24/7 support on the end of the phone. We can attach our machines to Wi-Fi and access them from our devices wherever we are.